We're really excited to be bringing Adventure Elevate to Asheville. It's built for outdoor events. Delegates will be from around the globe. There's such a network of manufacturing and retail business around Asheville and North Carolina. Will be tapping into help with the design of some of the educational sessions. Delegates come into Asheville the night before and they'll get to explore activities or adventures or walking tours. The team at Explore Asheville have just been first class. All through the process, both from the perspective of the initial bid and then the site inspection and all of the myriad details. We're really excited to be bringing our delegates to Asheville to showcase and have them experience all that Asheville has to offer.